Every day, millions of people share parts of their lives online. We post photos from vacations, celebrate birthdays, check in at restaurants, share our opinions, tell friends what we're doing. Social media has made it easier than ever to stay connected. But here's a question. How much information is too much? Most people think cybercriminals only target celebrities, wealthy individuals, or large companies. The reality is very different. In many cases, ordinary people become targets simply because they share more information online than they realize. Let's start with something that seems harmless, posting personal details. Imagine someone uploads a birthday photo and captions it, "Can't believe I'm finally 25 today." A few weeks later, they share a picture of their new driver's license. Then they post about their first pet, their hometown, and their favorite school. Individually, these posts may seem innocent, but together they create a digital puzzle. Someone with bad intentions can piece together these clues to answer security questions, impersonate the person, or even attempt identity theft. This process is sometimes called social engineering, when criminals use information about you to manipulate, deceive, or gain unauthorized access to your accounts. Another hidden risk involves location sharing. Many social media apps allow users to tag their location automatically. While it may seem fun to show friends where you're eating or traveling, it can also reveal patterns about your daily life. If someone can see where you live, where you work, what gym you visit, and when you're usually away from home, they may know far more about your routine than you'd want a stranger to know. In some cases, people even announce vacations in real time. While they're posting beach photos and enjoying their trip, they're unknowingly informing the entire internet that their home may be empty. Oversharing can also affect your future opportunities. Employers, universities, and business partners often review online profiles before making important decisions. A post made in frustration, an offensive joke, or inappropriate content shared years ago can sometimes resurface when you least expect it. The internet has a very long memory. Even if you delete a post, screenshots and archived copies may continue to exist. Another danger comes from online quizzes and trends. You've probably seen posts asking questions like, "What's your superhero name?" or "Tell us your first pet and the street you grew up on." These may seem like harmless games, but many of the answers people provide are similar to the security questions used by banks, email providers, and other online services. Without realizing it, users may be publicly sharing information that helps criminals guess passwords or bypass account security measures. Children and teenagers face unique risks as well. Young people often grow up sharing large portions of their lives online. Unfortunately, they may not fully understand who can view their content or how that information could be used in the future. Photos, videos, and personal details posted today may remain accessible for years. What seems funny or harmless now could potentially affect future education, employment, or personal relationships. So, does this mean you should stop using social media completely? Not at all. The goal isn't to live in fear, it's to share responsibly. Before posting anything online, ask yourself a few simple questions. Would I be comfortable if a stranger saw this? Does this reveal personal information such as my address, phone number, birthday, or daily routine? Could this information be used to answer security questions? Would I still be comfortable with this post 5 years from now? Taking a few seconds to think before posting can significantly reduce your digital risk. It's also a good idea to review your privacy settings regularly, use strong and unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious about accepting friend requests from people you don't know. In today's connected world, information has value. Every photo, post, comment, and location tag contributes to your digital footprint. The more information you share, the easier it becomes for others to build a picture of who you are. Social media can be an incredible tool for connection, learning, and self-expression. But remember, not everyone who sees your information has good intentions. The next time you're about to hit post, take a moment to think, because protecting your privacy online isn't about hiding from the world. It's about controlling what the world knows about you. And sometimes the information you choose not to share is the information that keeps you safest. Curious about data, AI, and analytics? Subscribe to Analytics Campus for simple explanations, real-world examples, and actionable insights that make complex topics easy to understand.